Hello team members, these are my justifications for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. The principles I applied in this infographic are proximity, alignment, similarity, and color harmony. The principle of proximity is to group related design elements together. I applied the principle of proximity by having the information be displayed by a topic in each box. This will make the viewer's job easier by giving clear informational units. The principle of alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page. Instead, they are arranged relative to a line or a margin. I applied the principle of alignment by using horizontal alignment to make the document organized and sorted with the left and right hand margins. The principle of similarity means that when objects look the same, viewers will often see them as a group or a pattern. I applied the principle of similarity to make the viewer see the pictogram as a pattern, allowing the seriousness of overdoses to be shown. The principle of color harmony means the viewer experiences color choices in a visual as presenting a sense of order. I applied the principle of color harmony by selecting a monochromatic color scheme of greens that would be easy on the reader's eyes. This gives the document a sense of order and makes it more visually appealing. Thank you for your time, and contact me if you have any questions regarding my design choices.